The security of a blockchain project is one of the key elements for its success. Therefore, one of the most important aspects for ensuring the security of a blockchain project is the smart contract audit. An accurate and detailed audit of a smart contract helps to detect and eliminate bugs, semantic inconsistencies, and vulnerabilities. In this video, we will discuss the top 10 most important smart contract auditing tools. The first one is Truffle. Truffle is a popular framework for blockchain application development. It serves as a reliable development environment, testing framework and asset pipeline for smart contracts. The framework is written in a completely modular way, enabling engineers to choose the functionality they need. Whether developers are looking to build on Ethereum, Hyperledger, Quorum, or any other supported platforms, the framework can be relied upon. MythX. MythX is a powerful cloud-based service that discovers Solidity vulnerabilities in Ethereum contract code. It uses input fuzzing and symbolic analysis to pick common security bugs. MythX's comprehensive range of analysis techniques, including static analysis, dynamic analysis, and symbolic execution, can accurately detect security vulnerabilities to provide an in-depth analysis report. Mithril. Mithril is a security analysis tool for EVM bytecode. It detects security vulnerabilities in smart contracts built for EVM-compatible blockchains such as Ethereum, Hedera, Quorum, Vecane, Rootstock, Tron, and others. It uses symbolic execution, SMT solving, and taint analysis to detect a variety of security vulnerabilities. Remix. Remix is an online Solidity IDE that is easy to use and completely featured by developers to check and compile smart contracts. Many of the tools within the Remix include a Solidity compiler that produces a lot of useful knowledge that can be used in a different context. It also features 3 runtime environments, namely injected Web3 to providers like Mist or MetaMask, Web3 provider to localhost via IPC, and JavaScript VM, which is a simulated setting. Rattle. Rattle is an EVM binary static analysis framework designed to work on deployed smart contracts. Rattle takes EVM byte strings and uses a flow-sensitive analysis to recover the original control flow graph. It lifts the control flow graph into an SSA/infinite register form and optimizes the SSA, thereby removing dumps, swaps, pushes, and pops. Securify. Securify is a web-based audit tool used to scan smart contract code. It allows you to copy-paste code. By just clicking Scan Now, the tool will report the issues, if any, with warnings. Sonar Solidity. Sonar Solidity is a SonarQube static code analyzer for Solidity smart contracts. To analyze the code, Sonar Solidity is installed on the SonarQube console as a plugin. It clarifies flaws and glitches and can import Solium files, which can be expanded with Solium's own plugins. Sonar Solidity uses 25 rules that promote the best practices of Solidity and track bugs and problems with code smell. Smart Anvil. Smart Anvil is an open-source framework that conducts static smart contract analysis and deploys binary contract analysis. It is used for searching and querying blockchains. While Smart Anvil can work in isolation, it communicates with Moose Data and Analysis Tools application. Carl. Carl is an audit tool for smart contracts that checks for security vulnerabilities using the Mithril detection engine. It can be used to monitor the Ethereum blockchain for newly deployed vulnerable smart contracts in real time. It removes false positives by running candidate contracts in a simulated copy of the blockchain. Slither. Slither is a quick and easy to use tool. It has about 40 security checks it applies to contracts, and shows if any of them are positive. Developing a completely foolproof smart contract is a complex and painstaking task. However, the vulnerability of smart contracts is real. This confirms why a thorough audit of a smart contract using any of the discussed tools is vital before being published on a network.